Today we're installing a French drain, and in this backyard the yard stays very wet. So what we need to do is to trench a long line across the backyard, and we're going to install gravel perforated pipe with catch basins to help collect this water. So here you can see our trench. We've already trenched most of the line. We've set some catch basins in there so you can see the depth of things. We're down about 2 feet. We've removed the soil, and we're just about ready to start laying our gravel and our pipe. But before we do that, we need to hook up the downspouts. The downspouts play an important role of bringing that roof water down and away from the home. Here you can see the trench. We've got our pipe installed in there. We've covered it with gravel. You can also see our fabric, that's the soil separator. That will allow the water to pass through very quickly into our system. Catch basins pick up the surface water, and the gravel perforated picks up the underground water. Pretty much completed. You can see our excess soil that we have. We're going to haul that away. We'll cover this all up, and you can tell that we've been in this yard because it's pretty muddy back here. Here's our discharge. We had some extra gravel. We went ahead and put it through there just to help the drainage. That goes down over a hill. Here's another downspout and the connection of that one coming into the system. And here's a completed yard drain, French drain, gravel drain by Apple Drain.